How to open Chase bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering on opening up a Chase bank account, these are the methods you can follow up. So you can head over to the option that is chase.com, open it up on your preferred browser. You can also use the app if you want. Once that is done, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do is once you head over to the browser, you can directly find an option that says open an account. So go ahead and tap on that option that says open an account. After that is done, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So again, go ahead and tap on this option that says open an account. You need to tap on it. So before opening a Chase checking account, you need to go ahead and provide up your social security number, and you will be needing your social security number and your driver's license or state ID to verify that it is you. So if you're an existing Chase customer, you can go ahead and select yes, but if you're not, you can select the second option. For now, I'm doing second option, and then you can go ahead and tap on get started. Once that is done, the next step you need to do is you need to fill out this form they are asking. So make sure everything is legal. It should be same as that which is appearing on your government ID, as it is a bank account. So the first step for the process is you need to enter up your first name. After that, your middle name, your last name, and the suffix is optional. You can go ahead and do that and tap on next. And after that, you need to provide up your date of birth. So you need to be at least 18 years old to apply. After that, you need to go ahead and provide up your email address and your phone number. Phone number is something preferred, so provide that and tap on next. Once that is done, you just need to go ahead and complete this section of this form filling. And when you do that, when everything is done, you need to wait for your account to be authorized. Once that is done, your online account of Chase Bank will be opened. So that is it for now. That is how you open up your Chase online bank account. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.